From an AI-powered robotic surgeon to mRNA used to fight cancer.
On this week's episode, we're showing you how engineers are helping to save lives through the latest medical advancements. And no, this is not a sci-fi movie.
Welcome to the Circuit News. Remember the 21B surgical droids in Star Wars? Well, Raven 2 is the real-world counterpart, a robot that can stitch up wounds using AI. Created by engineers at UC Berkeley and Intel, Raven 2 has mastered the art of suturing, learning through sophisticated AI algorithms. But Raven isn't the only surgical robot. The Da Vinci robot, approved by the FDA 2 decades ago, continues to lead as the best-selling surgical robot on the market thanks to its ultra-precise accuracy.
But this robot costs a pretty penny at just over $2 million.
However, doctors say Da Vinci technology can help with all types of procedures, from hernia repairs to coronary bypasses.
Well, I've never seen anything like this before. In preclinical trials, we're seeing up to 43% less force on tissue. That translates to gentler surgery for patients.
mRNA technology turned the tide against the pandemic.
Now this technology could be our next big hope in the fight against cancer.
Jacob Beecraft earned his PhD in biological engineering from MIT and built what's called smart mRNA that can be programmed to do everything from helping fight cancer to treating autoimmune diseases.
mRNA, when it first came out, was pioneered for messenger RNA vaccines, where Tasuku and I, back at MIT, started looking at the science and thinking about, can we truly take a vaccine platform and turn it into a cancer therapeutic?
Strand Therapeutics designed programmable messenger RNA that can go into cancer cells and inform the immune system to attack it. They're set to begin initial clinical trials in April.
This is a microbot. It doesn't look like much, but when it links up with the rest of its pals, things get a little more interesting.
Much like the microbots in Big Hero 6, injectable microgels are tiny and intelligent, but these drug carriers can also link up and navigate through your bloodstream to deliver healing right where it's needed. Engineers at MIT are using injectable microgels to deliver medication directly to diseased cells. They can be programmed to release drugs in specific environments, offering a more targeted and potentially less harmful approach to treatment. Able to sense changes in pH, temperature, or enzyme activity when they come across a disease, these tiny drug carriers can heal it. Next up, Carnegie Mellon University engineers are using DNA to make our cells stronger. They've devised what could be seen as a superhero suit at the cellular level. It's called DNA origami armor, a synthetic shield made of DNA nanorods that can protect cells as they enter the human body.
Typically, when you inject a cell through a syringe, the wall shear stress, these sort of shearing forces in opposite directions, they can damage the cell and lead to cell death. Why don't we basically make a cell cytoskeleton, but on the exterior of a cell? And then that would basically protect it.
This armor shields stem cells from damage, custom built to let the good stuff like nutrients into the cell and keep the bad out as they pass through the body. Researchers found that more cells survived when they were coated in the DNA origami armor. That's all for this week. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech trends and engineering updates. Until the next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay right here with Circuit News TV.